Reverse engineering in software. So how to do this? See, if you are in a car and if you use the reverse gear, your car goes backward. Same thing here. You are at maintenance right now. Now you are only having the source code. Now sometimes you may have the additional document or information, but you are analyzing the program code and recovering from it the design and finally the requirement specification. The reverse engineering is a very important maintenance technique. Why? Because there are certain software which are unstructured. They don't have proper documentation. Documentation is one of the work product of any kind of deliverable of software. And these software were not developed using proper software engineering principles. Not properly designed, not properly coded. So, the first we need to do the cosmetic changes. Like your face, you want to go to the party, you will put some cream and some powder like this, talcum powder, etc. So you want to improve the readability, you want to improve the structure and the understandability first of all, before you can actually try to learn the code and come up with a design of this code. And finally, the requirement specification. So we need to find out, first clear the code, then try to extract the design and then the specification.